Hi everyone, my name is Simran Kaur and I belong to Team Fox. Today, I and my team members are going to present a project which is George Brown Career Fair project. I would like to thank our professor Ahmed Fadin to help us throughout the management of this project, and today we will be presenting him our final piece. Well, once again, I am Simran Kaur and my teammates are Anna Paula, Deepinder Kaur, Indira Khatiwara, Madeline Laurie, Oy Manli, Sao Shan Law. Now, moving to the introduction, the GBC Job Fair is an innovative project aimed at addressing the needs of the growing number of George Brown College students and the increasing complexity of the career market. The main purpose of the project is to provide GBC students with a centralized platform where they can meet potential employers and equip themselves with the necessary skills for a successful job search. By creating a space for students, employers, and professionals to connect, the project aims to enhance career opportunities for GBC students and improve their transition into the career. Furthermore, the project will also include workshops organized by the college and career service consultancy that focus on resume writing and job interview skills, equipping students with the necessary tools to effectively display their abilities to potential employers. Through this platform, GBC Career Connection project aims to bridge the gap between students and employers, enabling them to connect, exchange information, and establish meaningful professional relationships.
To understand the importances of our job fair, we have conducted surveys with different stakeholders, including the employer, current student, graduate student, career and service consultancy, George Brown College, Student Service Support Department, etc. There are a total of 51 respondents to our survey. Based on the result, it shows that over 90% of our students are facing different challenges while finding the job. As you can see from the chart on the left-hand side of this slide, it shows that the top 3 challenges are connecting with employers, acquiring job information, and possess required skills. So it's obviously show that students are actually facing a significant difficulties when they are finding job. Other than that, we have also done the survey which covers which industry with higher demands from the employer perspective, and what is the job that the current student and graduate student are looking for right now. So the result is showing that the food and beverage, retail and wholesale, computer and information technology, architecture and engineering are the highest demand industry among the employer and the students as well. So our job fair will mainly focus on these 4 different industries. Besides, our George Brown College will aims to improve the student campus experience by holding this job fair as well.
There are various benefits that the George Brown Careers Fair would bring to the different stakeholder. For the current student, they are the main project user. The fair will help them to save time and cost to meet employer, as well to improve their interview skill, and they can get first-hand information of the career market. And also, they would help them to explore available resources for job hunt and to build their social network. And also this another project user will be the graduate student, and they could benefit from the fair that they can share experience with existing students that they can advance their leadership skill. Also, as an employer, they are also the project user. They will find suitable employee at a well-established institute, and where they could meet and know the students, their potential employee, and also they could learn students' expectation and qualification about today's job market. Also, the career service consultant, as the project user, they could benefit from the fair that there's opportunities to current and graduate students, and they create a collaboration among different GBC departments. So student service department as the project manager, the fair will help them to liaise with career service to provide all-round benefits to the GBC students. For the project sponsor as George Brown College, the fair will help them to establish a positive reputation among other post-secondary institutes. Finally, the stakeholder event planning consultant as the project expert, the fair will provide them business opportunities and explore future business.
For the project approach, we have 7 main work packages, which are identify external resources or vendors required, sign agreement with service provider, develop a database for tracking in future, take reference from former events, choose an event venue, implement online marketing campaigns using social media, prepare an event evaluation, and the duration of this project is for 99.5 days, beginning on August 15, 2023, and finalizing on January 1st, 2024. The cost breakdown for the project, it's a top-down and bottom-up approach, provides a budget plan that is more accurate to the actual execution. GBC consolidates and streamlines the budget proposal, and two parties compromise a feasible budget which allows the project to roll out step by step. The total cost of this project is $36,135.50 for this project.
To move on with the project risk, risk in a project is a situation that if materializes, that would adversely affect the project. All the project come across various risks that either disappear, materializes that might demand attention, or become crisis which might harm the project outcome. In this project GBC Career Fair, there are 3 main risks. Number 1, technical issues with equipment or system failure. Number 2, inclement weather affecting the outdoor activity. And number 3, inadequate employer turnover in the event. To talk about the technical issues with equipment or system failure, a job fair is an event where the multiple equipments and systems such as computers, speakers, visual aids, as well as various record-keeping systems are used. Failure of any such equipment might affect the efficiency of the event. Therefore, in order to manage this risk through mitigation, the organizer must examine and test the system prior to the event. At the same time, a set of equipments as well as IT support team from any other external organizer must be kept ready in case of emergencies.
Inclement weather affecting the outdoor activity. The weather is always unpredictable and can be a concern for any outdoor activity. And the GBC Job Fair is an outdoor event in which lots of stakeholders, students, and guests will be attending it. The risk of heavy rainfall, storm, and a high temperature can always be a problem. So before arranging an event, the weather should be checked in advance, and the event should be planned on the day in which it seems more favorable. And to avoid such events, an alternate venue should always be set up, and arrangement should be made so that the fair uh, can be continued without any technical issues. Inadequate employee turnover in the fair. In the George Brown College of Fair, since there are a lot of current and graduates seeking jobs, we need a lot of employees to fulfill the requirement of the event. So to avoid the shortage of employees in the job fair, uh, project coordinators should use various marketing techniques to attract more employers. The things such as more ads, flyers, banners, and announcements should be made so that more and more employees become aware of the event, and personal emails should be sent to them so that we can fulfill the employee requirement in the job fair without much risk.
Here is our reference for our project. And this is the end of our presentation for our job fair. Thank you so much for listening.